what's up? My name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I am going to talk to you guys about 8 products that I have been loving. All of these amazing products are from Amazon and I genuinely am obsessed with all of these. These are so full of utility. सारे के सारे products काफी affordable भी है and I thought of just sitting down and making a quick video for you guys जहाँ पे मैं ये सारे products आप लोग के साथ share करूँ. I'm really excited for this video. I really hope कि इनमें से at least कुछ चीजें आप लोगों के लिए भी helpful turn out हो. And yeah, I will be linking all of the products in the description box. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Alright, let's start with a travel makeup pouch. Now I have with me this amazing travel pouch जिसमें आप अपना सारा makeup and skincare का सामान रख के travel कर सकते हो या फिर even अपने घर में भी ना आप इसमें चीजें store कर सकते हो. So recently I had traveled to Pune, then I had gone for a staycation. I have a trip next week as well and I am so looking forward to pack all my different cosmetic items in here and makeup, skincare का सब कुछ, literally सब कुछ इसमें आ जाता है. It is so damn spacious. Like एक section में आप अपना makeup रख सकते हो and दूसरे section में आप अपना skincare रख सकते हो and यहाँ पे ना ऐसे side में brushes, lip balms वगैरह store कर सकते हो, lipsticks वगैरह रख सकते हो, chain भी है. So you can store some of your things in here as well. I think it's a really great pouch to have. And I have found it so helpful. Like I need to carry just one pouch for all my makeup and skincare stuff. Like I don't have too much of makeup, but skincare के मेरे पास काफी सारी चीजें होती है. Moisturizer, sunscreen, serum, lip balm and this and that, and everything fits in here so perfectly. Now this pouch is made of PU leather and इसका MRP कुछ 1300 के आसपास है, but I got this for ₹800 and for me it was a same day delivery product. तो मैंने इसको उसी दिन रिसीव किया था जिस दिन मैंने इसका ऑर्डर प्लेस किया था and इसका क्वालिटी बहुत अमेजिंग है, बहुत ही स्टर्डी मेकअप पाउच है ये. You will get this in some amazing colors like green and pink and orange. Now I know 800 rupees for a cosmetic pouch might seem expensive for a few of you all, but I would just like to state here that ये same makeup pouch, ये same design में आपको ना Amazon पे 180, 200, 250 rupees के भी मिलेंगे. As for me, I have seen that in certain things if you pay a little extra, the thing goes like many miles more than if you pay like a few bucks lesser, you know, if you know what I mean. Basically what I'm trying to say is कि मुझे लगा कि अगर मैं इसके लिए 800 रुपए दूंगी तो it will be an investment for me because of course I really like to travel and we do go to a lot of places. तो मुझे लगता है कि ये मेरे बहुत काम आने वाला है. इसका spaciousness इसका सबसे बड़ा हाईलाइट है. मतलब एक ही बैग में आप अपने सारी चीज़ें ऐसे स्टोर करके लेके जा सकते हो. 2 एडवांटेजेस मेन है इसमें. सबसे पहले तो आपको सब कुछ दिखेगा कि कहाँ पे क्या है. मतलब इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट डीप काइंड ऑफ अ बैग जहाँ पे आपको हर कुछ निकाल के देखना पड़ेगा कि एकदम नीचे क्या है. यू कैन एक्चुअली सी एवरीथिंग दैट यू विल प्लेस हियर. एंड सेकेंड थिंग विच इज अमेजिंग इज दैट एवरीथिंग कैन बी स्टोर्ड इन वन बैग. आई मीन यू हैव अ जिप हियर, राइट? सो यू कैन इवन कीप लाइक योर ज्वेलरी एंड योर इयररिंग्स इन हियर, brushes, lip balms, everything in one place, which is really great. My suggestion would be that if you want to invest into a good travel makeup pouch, तो आप ये वाला exactly ये वाले brand का ले सकते हो. This is from the brand Batfield. I will definitely place the link in the description box. But if you guys are looking for cheaper options of the same design, same structure, even that is available on Amazon. Okay, next up, what I have with me is a lunch carrying bag. Now I go to office. I am an office girly, and I like to carry obviously some lunch boxes with me. Like I like to carry my fruits and my breakfast sometimes my lunch, and I have 2-3 डब्बे you know to carry, and I also like to carry water to office. इसकी वजह से I was looking for a good lunch bag on Amazon and मुझे काफ़ी सारे options दिखे obviously, but ये वाला जो डिज़ाइन था ये इतना क्लासी लगा मुझे. This is from the brand Nastasia. Nastasia is an amazing brand. I love all of their home decor stuff that is available on Amazon. I think they have some great stuff available with them, and ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा मुझे because of the color combination. Like you have this amazing rustish dark pink maroon sort of a color going on here with a grey contrast. इसमें आपको 3 color combinations मिल जाता है. One is definitely green and the third one I think is either orange or yellow, something like that. And you have like a handle in here and it's extremely spacious, you guys. Like I legit need to show you the amount of space this has. Even if you don't require something for like office, just for travel या फिर आपके road trips के लिए ना ऐसा एक छोटा सा बैग आप ले सकते हो, because this is something which is waterproof and this gives a very quilted and a very nice velvety kind of a finish which I really like. Like and insulated है तो आपका खाना काफी देर तक गर्म भी रहेगा. And I think for carrying your food items and everything you should always have a separate bag, and of course this will add aesthetic value to that also. So बहुत ही amazing है ये. इसका price I think कुछ 1000 के आसपास है, but I definitely got it for rupees 700 or something like that. So I think a really good investment, especially because now we have the monsoon here in Mumbai and it's waterproof, so again very convenient for me. Alright guys, next up what I have with me is a chain bracelet that I am wearing right now, and I'm definitely obsessed with this one because जब से ये मेरे पास deliver हुआ है I wear it every single day. So what I'm talking about is this chain bracelet that I have got from the brand Clara. Now this is basically a 925 pure silver chain bracelet which looks amazing. I basically wanted it for the evil eye stone that you can see. Now this stone is Swiss zirconia which is a very good quality stone, and इसका price I think कुछ 3000 के आसपास है, but मुझे ये definitely 50% off में मिला था, so मुझे ये कुछ 1600 के आसपास मिल गया था. It's a very nice bracelet. Like you can see the color is not going anywhere. Like it is of course pure silver, and इसमें थोड़ा सा rhodium plating भी आता है. And the best part is that this brand Clara will give you a certificate of authentication with this, which is amazing. Like a authenticity certificate always makes jewelry stuff much more better, and you can impose your trust on such brands and such products, which is why I completely love this particular bracelet. And मैं तो इसको रेगुलरली पहनती हूँ यार. मुझे बेसिकली लाइक आई सेड मुझे ये evil eye के लिए चाहिए था. वेरी प्रिटी एंड वेरी लाइट वेट. आपको समझ में भी नहीं आएगा कि आप कुछ पहने हुए हो, एंड लैपटॉप वगैरह में काम करने के टाइम पे भी कोई हिंड्रेंस नहीं है. सो दिस इज रियली गुड, एंड इफ यू गाइज आर लुकिंग फॉर अ गुड evil eye chain bracelet you can check out the one from Clara, and you can also check out the one from Jiva. I'll place a picture here. I gifted this to my elder sister on her birthday this year, and she really likes it, and वो भी एकदम proper authentic quality का है. So आप वो वाला भी check out कर सकते हो. If possible मैं उसका भी link नीचे डाल दूंगी. Alright, next up I have something which is pretty interesting, and this is something which has added so much of aesthetic value to our bedroom. So I have this money plant from the brand Ogao. Now this is not the first plant that we've purchased from Ogao. We have quite a few plants from Ogao in our home, and one thing which we love about Ogao is that the quality of the plants which they deliver is always top notch. This is a money plant like you can see, and इसका quality आप देख सकते हो बहुत ही अच्छा है, and we've tried to maintain it to our best possible capability. Like you all know, money plant is a very low maintenance plant, which is why across our home we have at least 6 to 7 money plants with us, and they have this air purifying quality as well, which makes it great, and we keep it in our bedroom. So वो वाला एक एयर प्यूरिफाइंग फीचर भी हमारे बेडरूम में ऐड हो जाता है. जस्ट 2 चीज़ों का आपको ध्यान रखना है कि कीप इट इन डायरेक्ट सनलाइट में आपको मनी प्लांट नहीं रखना है, एंड सेकेंडली वंस अ वीक ओनली आपको इसमें पानी देना है. एवरीडे पानी नहीं देना है गाइज. ओनली वंस अ वीक यू हैव टू वाटर द मनी प्लांट, एंड इट कम्स इन दिस अमेजिंग येलो पॉट. Of course you have options of white pot also. White pot उगाओ के मनी प्लांट्स हमारे पास पहले से ही थे, तो I thought of trying out a bright color का pot this time. It comes with a self watering pot and very good quality plant, and this is not also very expensive. I think this was definitely under rupees 300, 280, 270 का हमें पड़ा ये मनी प्लांट, and a very good investment. Plants are always amazing. Next up I have a laundry item with me, and god this is so comfortable, so amazingly comfortable. I have this cami bra from Van Heusen. This is what the cami bra looks like. Now you can see that this is basically like this, so it's like a camisole and a bra combined into one. This one is so amazing. Like it's really good. It's not padded, it is wireless, it is full coverage. The cups are seamless. You cannot even make out where the the cups are. They are absolutely seamless. They are available in all the sizes, you know, which you will require. I'm sure you'll find your size. And बहुत comfortable है, cotton elastane material का है. This is something which I think has changed the lingerie game for me, because this is supremely comfortable. And ये तो एक black and lilac combination में है. I love this so much कि मैं इसको और भी colors में मंगाने वाली हूँ. This is available in a bunch of pastel colors as well. So I'm really keen to buy some more of the same thing, because this turned out to be brilliant. And I absolutely enjoy wearing this under my t-shirts and my office formals, everything. This is really seamless and super cozy and comfortable. This was for rupees 500 I think, but it's a really good investment. I mean, if you buy 3 of these, I mean, your lingerie game is gonna change so much for the better. If you guys want to try it out, you will find the link in the description box. Alright, next up we'll move on to some clothing. Now this is the only clothing piece that I have in today's video, but guys, trust me, this is amazing. You're gonna love it, okay? I basically have 2 oversized t-shirts with me. Now I am recently enjoying and loving monochromatic looks, monochromatic tops, t-shirts, everything of that sort. So basically I have one black t-shirt and one grey t-shirt with me. These are from the brand Fun Day Fashion. मैंने large size में लिया हुआ है. These are like oversized ही मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं, so मैंने इसको large size में pick up किया है. I have washed these t-shirts at least 7 to 8 times till now, both the grey one and the black one, but they always end up looking absolutely brand new, okay, brand new. They are super comfortable. You can wear these at home, you can wear these outside. I'll present a imaginary look for you guys, okay? You can wear this black t-shirt, you can wear these with like nice blue denims, sneakers, a crossbody bag, your sunglasses, and babe, you're ready to go out and rule the world. So these t-shirts are supremely comfortable. I know the brand's name sounds a little funny. मुझे भी initially लगा था कि ये थोड़ा सा gimmicky लग रहा है. Fun Day Fashion क्या brand होता है यार? I mean, let me just go back to my jockey and all of that. But these t-shirts have delivered. And how? They are supremely comfortable, and you know what I've paid for the 2 of them? Like, these come in a pack of 2, okay? And for the 2 of these, I have paid rupees 489. मतलब one t-shirt doesn't even cost 250 rupees. So बहुत reasonable है. बिल्कुल आपको गिमिकी लग सकता है, लेकिन है नहीं. बहुत ही प्रॉमिसिंग है, बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल टी शर्ट्स है, ओवरसाइज्ड है, तो आप इनको डेनिम स्कर्ट के साथ पहन लो, डेनिम्स के साथ पहन लो, घर पे अपने पीजेस के साथ पहन के चिल करो, जैसे मर्जी आपको पहनना है पहनो, लेकिन बहुत अच्छे हैं, बहुत ही अच्छे क्वालिटी के हैं ना. मुझे ग्रे एंड ब्लैक बहुत पसंद है आउटफिट्स में, तो मैंने ये 2 कलर्स लिए हैं, लेकिन आप लोग ना पिंक, ब्लू, रेड, ऑरेंज, पर्पल, बहुत सारे कलर्स में ये अवेलेबल है, तो आप डेफिनेटली पिक कर सकते हो, बिकॉज दे आर लिटरली अवेलेबल इन अ लॉट ऑफ कलर्स एंड द प्राइस इज वेरी रीजनेबल लाइक आई मेंशन. So do check these one out as well. Alright, next up I have a very popular product with me, and this is something which I've already shown you in one of my other videos. So I have this stainless steel tumbler. This one is from the brand House of Quirk. ये Solara बोल के एक brand का भी available है Amazon पे, and this is in the color Lavender Mist. You get this in a bunch of beautiful colors like pink and mint green and lot of fun colors में आपको ये मिल जाएगा. Now you get 2 straws with this particular tumbler. Basically the one that is already there is in steel, like you can see, and एक और straw भी आपको मिल जाता है. You get a straw cleaner as well. Very nice, and adds so much of aesthetic value to your whole hydration game. I completely swear by this product, and this contains 1.2 liters of water. So yeah, I think this is really nice, and of course does its job like really well. And थोड़ा सा expensive है यार, I mean 1500 का है, but these things are just good investments and they will always stay with you, right? And stainless steel का है तो खराब भी नहीं होने वाला. Insulated भी है by the way, so it will keep your beverage hot and cold, like whatever you want it to do, it will do that for you. So basically बहुत ही अच्छा product है, आप इसको definitely check out कर सकते हो. Next up I have a gadget with me. So basically I have these wireless earphones. I have with me the OnePlus Nord. This is what it looks like. This is the outer packaging, and then once you open, these are your wireless earbuds basically. Now I love this, okay? I basically very recently got an iPhone 15 and I was wondering कि क्या मैं AirPods लूँ, क्या नहीं लूँ. Vivek has his AirPods and I have used his AirPods. They are great, they are amazing. I don't like that much of noise cancellation. मुझे खरीदना था एक नया वाला, बिकॉज जो पहले वाले हैं वो बहुत पुराने हो गए हैं. आई वॉज यूजिंग अनदर OnePlus वायरलेस AirPods नहीं, earbuds, sorry, that Vivek only had gifted to me on one of my birthdays, I think 2020 वाले बर्थडे पे. तो वो 4 साल होने को आया है, तो थोड़ा थोड़ा उसका क्वालिटी डिग्रेड हो गया है, ऑब्वियसली डिमिनिश हो गया बेसिकली उसका जो क्वालिटी एंड आउटपुट एंड एवरीथिंग है. तो मुझे एक लेना ही था. आई वॉज कन्फ्यूज कि मैं AirPods लूँ कि मैं नॉर्मल किसी ब्रांड का लूँ. तो ऑफकोर्स देखो अवेलेबल तो बहुत सारे हैं, लाइक JBL के है, then there is Boat, then there is Noise, but OnePlus का ही मैं यूज़ कर रही थी एंड OnePlus का क्वालिटी बहुत ही अच्छा था. तो मैंने फिर से OnePlus का ही लिया है एंड आई एम नॉट डिसअपॉइंटेड बिकॉज दीज आर अमेजिंग. एंड आफ्टर बाइंग दीज आई डोंट रिग्रेट नॉट बाइंग AirPods बिकॉज ये बहुत अच्छे हैं एंड दे रियली डू द जॉब एंड दे आर वेरी गुड क्वालिटी. द साउंड इज amazing. Like I am a kind of person who's very choosy about the music and the quality of the earphones and everything, but इसमें ना आप हाफ वॉल्यूम पे भी सुनोगे ना गाना, उसका बेस क्या लगता है, क्या अमेजिंग क्वालिटी है ये ईयरफोन्स का. आई मीन आई एम नॉट किडिंग यू गाइस. ऑफ कोर्स नॉइस कैंसिलेशन भी है, नॉट टू द एक्सटेंट जो AirPods में रहता है, लेकिन है नॉइस कैंसिलेशन इसमें भी एंड बहुत ही फास्ट चार्जिंग है एंड इट्स अवेलेबल इन अदर कलर्स एज वेल लाइक ब्लैक, मिंट ग्रीन, एंड देयर इज अ डार्क ब्लू कलर ऑल्सो. बट आई somehow like the classic वाइट वायरलेस ईयरबड्स वाला सीन बिकॉज स्टार्टिंग से ही वही ट्रेंड में आया था एंड वही ट्रेंड चलता आ रहा है. सो मुझे ना ईयरबड्स में कोई और कलर उतना पसंद नहीं है. आई थिंक वाइट लुक रियली रियली क्लासी. I think I bought this for 2400 rupees if I'm not wrong, which is a very very decent price for an earbud of this quality. AirPods I think जो latest वाले हैं कुछ 28,000 के है. So you're saving so much money and you're getting exactly the same thing. I mean AirPods are great, I'm not denying that. Of course I would want to buy AirPods someday, but at this moment I didn't think that I need AirPods in my life. And but ये इतने अच्छे लगे ना मुझे कि मुझे भी ज़रूरत नहीं फील हो रही है AirPods की. At least for good 2-3 years मुझे नहीं चाहिए AirPods. ये बहुत बहुत अच्छे हैं. Last thing is this underarm roll-on. This one is from Carmesi. It smells beautiful. इसका नाम है Floral Sunset. It's their natural deodorant roll-on. No alcohol, no aluminium, no triclosan. This is what the underarm roll-on looks like from Carmesi. This has become like a staple in my shower routine. Like every day after shower, I like to apply this on my underarms. And this really, really helps in your fragrance game, you guys. It really does its bit. It's very effective. Like you will not stink if you put this. Very particular about my fragrance thing, but ये ना help करता है यार, बहुत help करता है. Like if you add this to your routine, I think it just makes you smell so good all the time. Like if you put an underarm roll-on as the base and then you go ahead with your perfumes and your body oils and everything, that just makes your whole thing much more stronger, you know. So I think this is a really really nice buy. It's a 50 ml product and this will cost you only rupees 170. I also want to try the roll-on from Chemist at Play, but I'll only buy that after I finish this one because I think this is gonna last me for 2-3 months more easily. Alright you guys, those were all the amazing products from Amazon that I have been loving recently. Oops, I dropped the roll-on, so sorry for that. So yeah, like I was saying, those were all the amazing products that I have been loving recently and all of these are from Amazon. The links will be in the description box. So this video basically turned out to be an Amazon haul / Amazon favorites, products I am in love with, products I am obsessed with, monthly favorites, quarterly favorites, all of that stuff. Like I showed you basically all my current favorites in one particular video, but had this been like a monthly favorites video, so I would have talked about my favorite music, my favorite series and all also. We'll do that maybe in a separate video because the month of June is about to end, so I can film a June favorites for you guys as well. I mean of course मैंने बहुत सारे favorites आपको इसी वीडियो में दिखा दिए, but of course कुछ और products भी है जो प्रॉब्ली Amazon से नहीं है लेकिन मेरे जून फेवरेट्स में फीचर हो सकता है. सो या दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो यू गाइज. आई रियली होप यू एंजॉयड वॉचिंग इट एंड दैट इट वुड बी हेल्पफुल टू यू इन सम वे और द अदर. इफ यू डिड प्लीज एक लाइक कर देना एंड एक कॉमेंट कर देना. वन लाइक ऑफ यू ऑल मेक्स सो मच डिफरेंस टू आवर लाइव्स एंड इट मेक्स द वीडियो रीच आउट टू सो मेनी मोर पीपल. सो प्लीज लाइक कर देना, सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. आई विल सी यू इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो विच इज गोइंग टू बी really soon. Till then, take care. Loads and loads of love, you guys. Bye bye.